Hi, my name is Paul Bradby, and I am the inventor, if you like, or the trader that's come with the xBrat brand. The xBrat brand is devised around my trading brain, which really I started during the military service. So I was in the British military for 15 years. Part of that military service was to keep things simple, repeatable. Simple set of rules so you can follow them, and majority of the time you get the same outcome. And also we have that when on mission, if you like, that we're half mechanical, half human. So we're devoid of emotion, if you like. We can follow those rules and with no questions. And one of those things that I wanted to bring to the xBrat brand was that those set of simple rules, that part mechanical view on the markets, part human, but then follow some very, very simple rules and just keep repeating those over and over again. So this is where the xBrat brand came from. And the first three indicators really were what we would call traditional trading strategies, but very complicated. So Elliott Wave. The Elliott Wave indicator, it's a very complicated strategy, but if you dumb everything down and just trade that fifth wave, it's very, very simple, and the software helps you do that. The auto harmonics, again, harmonic trading is very, very complicated, takes a long time to learn. What if we can do that pretty much automatically, so we can present those on the chart for you? And that's what it does. Then the stochastic MACD cross. Sometimes it's a little bit subjective, but if we had some real extended rules to that, and this is where the roller coaster comes in there. So the roller coaster, for example, and the Elliott Wave trade brilliant for swing trading in different types of market conditions. Harmonic pattern is fantastic for anything, whether you're scalping or swing trading. But then I wanted them to take it further. I had a strategy that I traded myself, and I've called it the xBrat algo in this instance. And what it does is grade trade. So long or short, it grades them 3-star to 6-star. So it's like a 3-star hotel compared to a 6-star hotel. And you can trade those with some very simple rules. And then the xBrat range Breakout is specific to day traders, really, with forex and futures. And it looks at those ranges that are formed on data. So whether it's the gold pit open, the oil pit open, whether it's jobs data in the US, it can define those ranges. It can give you a bias and tell you which direction to trade out of that range, and then continuous trading opportunities during that range for the rest of the day. And then ultimately the manager. The manager is my trade management brain, if you like. It looks and compares volume for each candle. It looks at average volumes. It looks at price action. Basically, it's there to look at behavior. And that's how I manage the trade. I don't panic on pullbacks, for example, when there's low volume. And I can compare that volume with this software. And now it keeps you in the trade, and it keeps you in longer to maximize those profits. But also, what it does is tells you when to get out. So it's just like having me sat next to you managing your trade. No matter which of the xBrat algo or the harmonics or whatever xBrat strategy you have for signals, the manager will manage the trade and help you manage that trade. The next thing really for us is, in this industry, software can be quite expensive for lifetime licenses, or other vendors may give you a subscription plan. But we want you to own this software, and we understand sometimes that maybe 3 or 4 of these xBrat products are what you need to trade different market conditions. So we're first in the industry to offer you rent to buy. You can rent each indicator monthly for 12 months, and then you own it outright. You have your lifetime license for your platform. So this is a great option to be able to trade different market conditions. So take a look down below this video. There are videos on each particular indicator. And then if you press the button for your specific platform, whether it's Motive Wave, NinjaTrader, or TradingView, you can get some more information. So it'll tell you what type of instruments you can trade, which is best to trade with that, what sort of time frames, whether it's scalping, day trading, intraday, whether it's swing trading, that sort of thing. It gives you a lot more information and 3 more videos to see the software in action. So hopefully we'll see each other on the other side. Lots of links to our Discord group on this website, so you can join it, and that's where we give support from our team members, but also our community, which is growing rapidly, that are using these xBrat trading indicators, will also give support to each other.